Okay, here we are at 4366 Balfour, two-family flat. We just are finishing up. Carpet guys are on their way right now. We need this video done now, so I'm gonna take you in and show you around a little bit. We come in the front entryway. We get upstairs there. Let's look at downstairs first. Here's the lower unit. Nice big living room, nice bright lights. Windows, fireplace, fake. Come in here to the dining room. Really big dining room. Open to the kitchen. These appliances were left here, so if somebody needs them, they're more than welcome to them. We redid the kitchen, the floors, painted the place, new blinds, hallway. Here's the bathroom. This tile was not in good shape at this place, so we just covered it all. New floor, glazed the tub, new toilet, new vanity, mirror, light. And here we come to bedroom 1. Nice size room for a flat. Bedroom 2. Nice size bedroom here too. A little bigger over here. And this opens up to the backyard from here, which it's a nice backyard. Little deck here to sit on. Out to the dining room. This is one of the bigger flats. Some of them are a little small, but this one's nice and spacious. Let me go upstairs. Gonna put carpet on these steps, quiet it down. New floors here. Upstairs. Nice sized living room, no fireplace up here. But the dining room is just as big, if not bigger. And this wall isn't out, but it's still open to the kitchen here. Same thing here, we inherited these appliances. New kitchen, cupboards, countertop, plumbing. This one, the floor was in too good a shape to cover up, so we kept that, but covered the walls, vanity, toilet, tub, mirror, lights, blinds. Bedroom 2. And this bedroom, I guess bedroom 1, nice size room. And this has a nice deck off it also. Looks out over the yard. Nice and secure. And that's the 2 units. Let's go check out the basement. Big basement. Side door, and down the basement. Really big basement. New furnace will go there and 2 water heaters once we get the tenants lined up. Got their own utility sinks, gas hookups, electric hookups. A nice sized basement. Plenty of storage space down here. And that's it. 4366 Balfour, Detroit.